Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Dr. Jonathan H. Westover's article, The Elephant in the Room, Organizational Design Issues That Most Leaders Misdiagnose. Too often we focus on symptoms like low morale and poor communication without addressing the root cause. We'll explore 4 key organizational design issues that are often overlooked, but have a significant impact on performance. Imagine a team of builders constructing a skyscraper with no clear blueprints. They have the tools, the materials, and the skills, but without a clear plan, their efforts are disjointed and chaotic. Each person has their own interpretation, leading to confusion and an unstable structure. The foundation, meant to be solid, becomes weak and unreliable. This is the danger of lack of clarity in an organization. When roles and objectives are not clearly defined, it creates a breeding ground for misunderstandings and inefficiencies. Without a shared understanding of roles and objectives, individuals work at cross purposes. This misalignment can lead to wasted efforts and missed opportunities. In a hospital, unclear duties can lead to oversights or duplications, resulting in inconsistent patient care. The stakes are high and the consequences can be severe. Clarity guides individuals and teams towards a shared destination. It ensures that everyone is on the same page, working together seamlessly. It's about fostering open communication, where questions are encouraged and feedback is actively sought. This creates an environment of trust and continuous improvement. A lack of clarity can erode trust and hinder progress, preventing an organization from reaching its full potential. Clear communication and defined roles are the bedrock of a successful and resilient organization. Imagine an organization as a living organism, thriving on interconnectedness. Just like the human body relies on the seamless flow of blood and oxygen to function optimally, an organization depends on the free exchange of information, ideas, and resources to stay healthy and competitive. Now, imagine walls restricting the flow of information and resources. These walls can be physical, like actual partitions, or metaphorical, such as rigid departmental boundaries and siloed mindsets. This is the reality of a siloed structure. Employees become isolated, working in their own bubbles, unaware of the bigger picture or how their work impacts the organization as a whole. Departments become isolated, focused solely on their own goals, stifling communication and innovation. This lack of interaction can lead to duplicated efforts, missed opportunities, and a general sense of disconnection among employees. Consider Microsoft in the early 2000s, where rigid silos led to internal competition and a slow response to the tech landscape. The company struggled to innovate and keep up with its competitors. Under Satya Nadella, Microsoft broke down these barriers, fostering collaboration and a shared purpose. Nadella's leadership emphasized empathy, openness, and a growth mindset which transformed the company's culture. This transformation unleashed innovation, with teams developing new products and services. Employees felt more connected and motivated, leading to a surge in creativity and productivity. The results were remarkable, with Microsoft regaining its position as a tech leader. The company's renewed focus on collaboration and innovation allowed it to launch successful products and services that resonated with customers. Silos stifle innovation and limit an organization's ability to adapt. When employees are unable to communicate and collaborate effectively, the organization becomes less agile and more vulnerable to external challenges. Breaking down these walls and promoting cross-functional collaboration is essential. By encouraging open communication and teamwork, organizations can harness the full potential of their workforce. When diverse perspectives come together, new ideas are sparked and innovative solutions emerge. This diversity of thought is crucial for driving progress and staying competitive in a rapidly changing world. Let's tear down the walls and create interconnected, dynamic organizations. By fostering a culture of collaboration and inclusivity, we can build workplaces that are not only more innovative, but also more resilient and adaptable to future challenges. Imagine a basketball team incentivized solely on shots taken, not points scored or assists made. This would encourage individual glory over teamwork. Misaligned incentives can undermine organizational goals. The American Red Cross faced a challenge in their blood donation efforts. Their incentive system focused on volume, not quality, leading to unintended consequences. They shifted to rewarding successful donations, improving donor experience and outcomes. Incentives drive behavior. When aligned with core values, they unleash positive momentum. Misaligned incentives create a disconnect between individual actions and the collective good. Examine your organization's incentive system. Ensure you're rewarding behaviors that support your mission. Imagine a pilot navigating a storm with a faulty instrument panel. The pilot is unable to see the horizon, unsure of altitude, and unaware of the plane's speed. This scenario is not just dangerous, but potentially catastrophic. This is the perilous situation organizations face without adequate feedback processes. Just like the pilot, leaders and teams are left to make critical decisions without the necessary information. Without regular constructive feedback, leaders and teams are flying blind. They lack the insights needed to steer the organization in the right direction, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Toyota's production system, known for efficiency and quality, focuses on continuous improvement. This system is a benchmark in the industry, demonstrating the power of effective feedback. Feedback is deeply intertwined with their approach. It is not just encouraged, but is a fundamental part of their operational strategy. Toyota empowers every employee to provide feedback and suggest improvements. This empowerment ensures that every voice is heard and valued. This culture of open feedback is ingrained in their processes. It creates an environment where continuous learning and adaptation are the norms. They have standardized methods for collecting feedback and implementing changes. These methods ensure that feedback is not just collected but acted upon effectively. The result is a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Successes are celebrated and lessons are learned from every experience. Feedback is a gift, guiding effective decision-making. It helps leaders understand what is working and what needs to be changed. Embrace feedback and foster a culture where it's actively sought out. By doing so, organizations can navigate through any storm with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Addressing these elephants in the room, lack of clarity, siloed structures, misaligned incentives, and inadequate feedback, fosters awareness and inspires action. Let's build organizations where clarity, collaboration, aligned incentives, and continuous improvement thrive, leading to true innovation and success.